How's it going, everyone? This is The Average Designer, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a 3D animated object in Blender 2.8. To get started, we're going to click File, New, and select General. Now we are presented with a blank canvas, which gives us our cube, our light source, and our camera. We are going to switch to the camera view, and we're going to drag the animation panel up from the bottom. We're going to change the number of keyframes that we want to 90, and we are going to select the number of frames from here and change this to 30. So this gives us 3 seconds of animation, 30 frames per second. And this is just a reminder, this is the dimensions panel, just if you're curious. So we're gonna select the object, click the record button, and we're gonna push I on the keyboard. This will give us a bunch of different options of how we wanna transform this object. So we can rotate this object, we can scale it, change the location. So for this tutorial, we're going to choose scaling, and you see it created a keyframe right here, and we're going to create another keyframe at frame 90. Same process, push I on your keyboard, select scaling, and we're going to click N, and we're going to come down here to the scale transform properties, and we're going to make this a little bit bigger on the X axis, and we can make it a little bit skinny on the Y, and the Z we can change it to any size that we want. So that's looking pretty good. And if we click this button, it'll jump back to the beginning, and if we did everything correctly, this should animate. So let's check it out, and it does animate. If you guys like this tutorial and would like to see more, please smash that like button and click subscribe to help support the channel. All right, I love you guys all. Have a wonderful day. Take care.